Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix lag in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether your playback is stuttering, the timeline feels slow, or rendering takes forever, yeah, there are several ways to improve DaVinci Resolve performance on your PC or laptop. First, close unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs using too much RAM or CPU can slow DaVinci Resolve down. One of the easiest fixes is lowering the timeline playback resolution while editing. For smoother editing, generate optimized media files inside DaVinci Resolve. So this creates lighter versions of your clips for editing. If you're editing 4K or high-resolution footage, proxy files can greatly improve playback performance. If rendering feels too slow, try exporting in a slightly lower resolution or close other applications during export. Sometimes a simple PC restart can refresh system resources and fix temporary performance problems. And that's basically how to fix lag in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With optimized media, proxy files, updated drivers, and better playback settings, you can edit much more smoothly even on lower-end PCs or laptops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.